Hello guys, today I will compare in between Appsheet free version and Appsheet paid version, which is best in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Let's break it down. The Appsheet free plan is surprisingly powerful. You can build and test fully functional apps connected to Google Sheets, Excel, or even Cloud SQL. It's great for personal use, small team projects, or early prototyping. You'll get access to features like the editor, basic automations, and limited app users. The free tier is perfect if you're just experimenting or creating tools for yourself. With Appsheet's paid version, you can unlock much more. User-based security controls, advanced automations, custom branding, integrations with enterprise systems, and full deployment options. If you want to deploy your app to a team or customers with authentication and role-based access, you'll need at least the starter or core plan. And if you're automating heavy workflows, connecting APIs, or building for large-scale use, business and enterprise tiers are built for that. Appsheet Free is great for testing the waters, no credit card, no commitment. But if you're building anything for external users, internal business operations, or long-term scale, the paid plans are a must. So which is better in 2025? For hobbyists, students, or early MVPs, free is more than enough. But for serious app builders or businesses looking to automate and scale, paid is the real deal.